Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? We are given a plus b equals ab plus ab equals a divided by b. I want to find a minus b for this system of algebraic equations. So the first thing here is we consider the solution. So from the given questions, so we are going to let a plus b equals ab. That is the first step we are going to take. A plus b equals ab. And we consider this as equation 1. Then we are going to let the second one, which is ab equals a divided by b. Or we can just simply say a divided by b equals ab. So just to make it consistent. So we call this one equation 2. After having these two equations, then if we try to solve from equation 1, so that does not make any sense because we don't get the desired result. But let me start from equation 2. So we have from equation 2, so which says a divided by b equals ab. Suppose I cross multiply here, we are going to have a equals ab multiplied by b. Then when we expand this one, we have a equals a multiplied by b times b, that is b squared. And when we cancelled a and a from here, because the value of a here is not equals to 0. So if I cancelled a and a, so this shows that we are going to have b squared equals 1. So if b squared equals to 1, then let's take 1 to this side. So we have b squared minus 1 equals 0. And when I let this having the power of 2, so this is just like difference of 2 squared. So when we apply the formula difference of 2 squared, this becomes b minus 1, then multiplied by b plus 1 equals 0. And when we resolve this one to get the value of b, we therefore have our value of b equals 1, and we still have b equals minus 1. So if b equals to 1 and b equals to minus 1, then let's recall from equation 1. And equation 1 says a plus b. So from equation 1, we have a plus b equals ab. So if a plus b equals to ab, let's test for, let's say, when our b equals 1. So we try to replace it here to get the value of a. Since we have the value of b gotten already, then when we put the value of b here, we have this as a plus 1 equals a, because a times 1 here equals a. And by the look of the things here, this is not a solution, because when a cancel here, we have just 1 equals to 0. So this is not the solution here. Then we also go for when our b, so when b equals minus 1. So we also try and substitute it in equation 1. So therefore we have a plus b equals ab. And when b equals minus 1, here becomes a minus 1 equals minus a. Then let's try and collect the like terms. So we take minus a here, and here we have a plus a equals, we take minus 1 to other side, it becomes plus 1. And after having this, we are going to add this together, a plus a. So this gives us 2a equals 1. And the final result to this is a equals, when we divide both sides by 2, so you know 2 cancel 2, and we have a equals 1 over 2. It shows that at b equals minus 1, we have the value of a, which is 1 divided by 2. And let's see how we can substitute to see if a equals 1 over 2 and b equals minus 1 is truly the solution that satisfies the given problem. So if our b equals minus 1, then we have a equals 1 over 2. So the question says find a minus b. So to find a minus b from here, we try and substitute, and here we have 1 over 2. So this is having minus already, then minus 1. You know, this is for a minus b. And we get this equals 1 over 2 minus times minus, that is plus 1. And when we add 1 over 2 plus 1, we get 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is the value of a minus b. And let's see the value for a plus b, or let's say we have to check for a plus b, ab and a divided by b. So for the first one we have a plus b. So and the second one we have ab, while the third one we have a divided by b. So here when we substitute a here, our a is 1 over 2 minus, and b here is 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1, this gives us minus 1 over 2. So this is what we get for the first one. And also for the product AB, and we multiply a and b together. So we have a is 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 1. And this gives us minus 1 over 2. So that is also correct. And finally, for a divided by b, we have our a, which is 1 over 2, then multiplied by b is minus 1 as well. So this is division, minus come up, and here we have minus 1 over 2. So we can see that everything here are equal. A plus b is minus 1 over 2 when we substitute the value of a and b, then followed by ab, followed by a divided by b. Everything are correct. So which shows that the value we got for a and b are satisfied. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.